Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon and today I'm going to talk about Cosmos. Now this cryptocurrency has been doing some really good things in the last recent weeks. I'm going to give you guys some details about it, so let's dive right in. Now Cosmos is ranked number 20 with about 708,000 people on their watch list. It's in the last 24 hours down 1.63%, but overall in the last couple weeks have been doing pretty good, so I'm going to dive into that in a second. If you want to learn more about this crypto, check out the website, guys. It's a pretty popular crypto, especially in the top 20. What I like about it the most is their staking. Their typical staking, guys, rewards is about 9.7%. So it's a pretty good return when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And if you stake 1,000 Atom, it's a 10.28% commission. Varies between validators. So check it out, guys. If you're looking for something to get some, kind of some type of cash flow, check this out. Let's hit the charts, guys. Now, Cosmos in the last recent weeks, you can see that it's been doing really good. If we check right here, that's that major buying point at the $5.60, and it pushed up all the way to $16. Also, it went back down to the $8.45 and up to $15 and back down. And it seems like we're going to be pushing back to that 15 level, which is about $3 higher. Now, this is a very interesting pattern that it is making. So let's see if this diagonal support can hold. Now, I'm not a big fan of support resistance, but it does make the communication a little bit easier when talking about it. But so if it does make this pattern, it's a possibility that this can break through here, and then people will go that route. For me, it would be like a short-term buy, but up to this high. And if I was going to enter at the current market price, to say hypothetically, I would just take profits at this zone, which is about $3 up, and my rest of the trade I'll just move my stop loss, locking in the trade. Hopefully it can break through this this end right here, this top right here, like $16. And if it breaks through, then I can let this run, but most likely what we'll do is hit this, make a double top down here, probably retrace a little bit and bounce around here or near this point right here, and then possibly break out from here, because we're all seeing a just general bullish movement for crypto. But it's possible we might do another little bounce right here, then bounce right here, then head out. And if you have some more patience, you possibly can get this high, get the current price, get taken out right here in the target profit, entering again on a buy limit possibly, or just entering market when you watch it, then boom. And that's a good setup. I mean, possibly it does that. If it goes down lower, obviously you can be wrong. For me, I wouldn't risk so much on this trade because, I think there's some better entries either here or even down here. But I think those are moved, and I definitely miss this trade. But if I was going to enter now, it'd be current market, getting $3-ish per coin. So it's not too bad. It doesn't seem like a bad setup right here. And the risk versus reward. See this big candle on the weekly? This is pretty big. It's pretty big candle on the weekly, showing a lot of pressure heading up. So there's a lot of people who are buying, or a lot of big people who have a lot of deep pockets buying. So we probably push past this and head to here. But we'll see in the coming weeks. I do an update video on this. So give me your thoughts in the comments below. While you're down there, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's continue some news. Now, Cosmos has some stuff happening. You guys check out the news. I usually like to trade it and then check out the news a little bit later. But if there's a good little setup, go for a scout. But here's some information on Cosmos. It will be linked in the description box below. Well, let's head out to my website, guys, Andre J. McClendon. So you're looking more about trading, more about economy, check out the website, guys. You can check out my business services. If you're looking for custom robots, custom indicators, or looking for, learning how my 30-day mentorship to learn how to trade in programs, take that, and we can just talk about it before buying, guys. Please talk to me directly, either through the contact or through my Telegram. Hit me up on Telegram or my Fiber. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.